This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This covers the road ahead second exit from Ashburton to Bovey Tracey. On your exit road, you could be going to Bovey Tracey or Heathfield, so make sure you position correctly on the approach. As we come onto the slip road, there'll be a sign on the left that will tell you Bovey Tracey is the second exit. We will use the left-hand lane for this. As we approach, you can see the road markings confirming Bov T in the left-hand lane. Traffic lights ahead, which we need to obey. As we are taking the second exit, we need to keep in the left-hand lane as we go across the roundabout. Lights should be changing shortly, so we're keeping an eye out for that. It's quite common to get stuck at the traffic lights on this roundabout. So as we come around, we're just keeping an eye on our mirrors, passing the first exit, and then taking the exit, staying in the left-hand lane. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?